Let's see how to send WhatsApp admin notifications. So usually if you go to settings and if you go to the admin list, here in your profile you can edit your admin notification channels, but here you don't have an option to receive notifications through WhatsApp. But however, you can receive notifications through SMS, email, Messenger, Telegram, Viber, browser notification, or even you can receive Google Business Message notifications. But for WhatsApp you don't have the option. Let's see how to build a system to send WhatsApp a notification or WhatsApp admin notification based on some sort of actions happening inside your bot. So here in this example we already have created the two flows over here. So for this we have to first create the WhatsApp admin notification flow as well, and also from the which flow we want to trigger this particular WhatsApp admin notification. Show this flow, VIP list building chatbots. So here we actually ask customers to sign up for the VIP list and collect their name, email and phone number. So when a particular customer sign up for the VIP list by providing all these three details, we want to actually send them a WhatsApp notification, or we want to actually notify the admins of this particular chatbot saying this person has actually signed up for the VIP list. So this is just a simple example. So you can actually do the same for other sort of actions as well. So let's say if you find a qualified lead, then you can send notifications to your WhatsApp admins. So there is a lot of possibilities over here, and you can even send notification when a chat is assigned to a human as well. So these are some of the possibilities where you can actually utilize this WhatsApp admin notification. So this is just an example of the flow, and let me open the other flow as well, which shows the WhatsApp admin notification. So this is the other flow, WhatsApp admin notification. So here we are actually utilizing the template message. So if you actually click on send message, and if you choose WhatsApp over here, and here you can actually choose the template message right here. The reason we use the template message is that is the only option you have. If you want to send messages outside 24 hours, then you have to actually utilize the template messages option in the WhatsApp. And here we have already created a template message related to WhatsApp admin notification. So here if you want to create your own template messages, go to settings over here, and in settings you have to choose channels, and here WhatsApp, and in WhatsApp choose on manage over here. So if you click on manage, then there you can actually find an option to create the template message over here. So here if you choose template message, and if you click on this particular link manage, and it will take you directly to the WhatsApp message templates meta business manager. Here you can actually create your own templates. So this is the template message we have created for the WhatsApp admin notification. So let me show that as an example over here. So it simply say a new user has signed up for the VIP list, and it simply provide the name of the user, the email they provide, and the phone number. So that's it. So very simple WhatsApp template we have actually created. So this is the notification the admins actually receive in their WhatsApp when a particular customer submit their or sign up for the VIP list. So that's the idea behind this particular WhatsApp admin notification. So once you have created your WhatsApp template message right here, so let me show that as well. So if I click on edit, so here we have actually three variables. So here we have the name, the email and phone number. So these are actually depicted by 1 2 3 within the curly bracket. So if you click on add variable, then you can add your own variables as well, and here you'll be prompted to add whatever the codes or whatever the sample data it will be asked. So if I go back over here, we can actually find the sample data as well. So here in summary, so this is the sample data I provided over there. So that's it, and you can simply submit for the review. Usually it will just take 1 or 2 minutes to get it approved. So once it is approved, you can actually come back to the flow, WhatsApp admin notification flow. So this is a single flow with this single WhatsApp template message, which we actually use to send this as a message to the admins. So here choose WhatsApp, and here template message, and simply choose whatever the message you want to send to the admins. So that's it. So here I have already chosen the message over here, and here I am actually assigning the variables as well. So the first one is the name. So latest VIP customer name, 2 is latest VIP customer email, 3 is latest VIP customer phone number. So these variables are actually assigned in the previous flow. So let me show that flow as well. So here in the flow, we actually setting the custom field latest VIP customer name to the full name. So these are actually bot fields. So these are actually bot fields where these particular fields are automatically get updated when a particular based on the latest customer providing the details. So these are actually bot fields. So if you want to create bot fields, you can simply go to the flows over here, and here in flows, if you choose custom fields, and if you scroll down, so these are actually bot fields, account fields or bot fields. So here these are the 3 fields over here, and based on the latest input, this will get updated over here. So for now, these are the details over there. So once we test, the latest details will be updated right here, and these we actually simply use this field in our WhatsApp template message to send as a notification to the admins. So that's the idea over here. So to send the WhatsApp flow to a specific admin, we are actually using this feature or action called as external API request. So here, actions, if you click on this one, actions, and here you will have an option to choose the external API request over here. Click on it, and here you can simply use whatever the options you want to use over here. So here we are actually using the post option. So let me show what are we actually doing over here. So click on it. So here headers is X access token. So if you want to find more details about this external request or sending these kind of JSON request, you can actually check our guide over here, how to use external request or dynamic content. Here we have actually explained everything on how to use it. And also if you go to this particular page, to the API docs page, here you can actually find the API docs. So as you see here, this is the base URL of the API, and here we have an option to send a specific flow. So this is actually a flow. So this is actually a single flow, a flow with just a single message block, which is WhatsApp template message. So here using the API, we can actually send a specific flow to a customer. So here using this particular URL, users/user ID send flow ID. So here this actually enables us to send a specific flow to a specific user. So that means in this case, we want to send a WhatsApp notification to a specific admin. So that's it. So that's a simple idea over here. So this is how the URL look like. So here this is the base URL, api.chattingmedia.com API, and here after the base URL you can have this user ID send flow ID. So if I go to this particular flow or external request, so here you have to first add the header. So header, you have to name this as X access token, and you can get your account API keys from the settings right here. So if you go to settings, integrations, here you can actually find your own account API keys, and you can simply copy paste that particular keys over there. So once done, you can actually go to the body section. So here in the body section, we want to actually send the flow. So we want to actually send the specific flow, which is this particular specific flow to a specific admin. So here we already have the steps on how to create the send flow. So here if I scroll down, or if I search as send flow, we already have this particular body part over here. So here send flow, to get the flow ID, you have to get the flow ID. Here this is the particular body section to send the flow ID to any user. So that is what we have already here. So here this is what we have to simply replace this particular flow ID with the flow ID of our particular WhatsApp template message. So this is the flow WhatsApp admin notification. So if you want to get the flow ID, you can simply choose this option, get step ID, and click on it. It's simply copy. You can simply replace that particular ID right here. And also here in this particular API or API request URL, here you have to add 2 things. This is the flow ID. So here this is flow ID, and here's the flow ID. So both are same over here as you see here, and that's how you get the flow ID from here. If you want to get the user ID, you have to actually go to the the particular customer's inbox over here. So for example, we want to send the admin notification to this WhatsApp phone number Chatic Media over here. So to get the user ID, you can simply click on more information over here. You can get the contact ID right here. So this is the contact ID. So if we go back over here, users, this is the contact ID. So you can find the exact contact ID we have over here. So because we want to send this particular flow ID, or which is referred as this particular message, only to this particular contact ID customer, which is Chatic Media. So that's why we have this sort of URL like here, and also the body section right here, and click save. That's it. So what happens is that when a particular customer fill out all these details, by providing their name, email and phone number, a WhatsApp message will be automatically triggered to this particular ID or this particular user, which is Chatic Media over here, to this particular phone number. So now we can actually quickly test this one as well. So this can be actually tested on any channels you like. So this can actually works on Messenger, Instagram, or web chat, or any other channels too. So let's test this on Instagram. So here I'm going to provide all these details in the Instagram. As an admin, I am also going to receive a message on WhatsApp saying this particular person has signed up for the VIP list, something like that. So let's do that. So for that, we want to trigger this flow, VIP list building chatbot leads. To trigger the flow, we can actually set the automated responses. So let me click add and make sure the flow name is VIP list building chatbot leads. So here in the automated responses, I want to say VIP. If someone says VIP, we want to send chatbot leads or something like that. So here we have this flow, VIP list building chatbot leads, and click save. VIP, I want to trigger this particular VIP list building flow. So let me open my Instagram over here and trigger this one. So now let's test this on Instagram, and let me send the keyword which we set, it's VIP, and it should actually send me this sort of message: thank you for your interest. And after 3 seconds I should receive this sort of message, and ready to become VIP. Tap the button and it's asked me for the name. So let me enter the name here as George, and after that it should ask me for the email. So let me enter that as george@gmail.com, and after that it simply will ask me for the phone number too. Let me enter as 1231231. So I have provided all these three details, such as the name, email and phone number. So now we should actually receive a notification in the WhatsApp as well, saying this particular person has just signed up for the VIP list. So let's open WhatsApp over here. Alright, so I am in the WhatsApp over here, and as you see here, I have received the admin notification. It says a new user has signed up for the VIP list, and it simply send me those details, George at Gmail, and also the phone number George has provided over there. So here in the Instagram, George, I have provided all these three details. So if I trigger the flow once again, and if I submit some other details, I also receive another message as well. So let's actually test this again on the Instagram as well. It simply works on other channels too. So let me, this time I want to provide my name as Justin, and I want to provide the email as justin@gmail.com, and after that, alright, it's so I have to re-enter the email right here because it's in a wrong format. So let me simply enter the email once more over here at gmail.com. It doesn't matter. I'm providing in the correct format, so it should simply get accepted. And it asked me for the phone number, so let me enter the phone number here as 8877991. So these are the three details I'm submitting now. So I'm actually doing it again just to show you how this actually works. So here I have provided some other details along with the Justin name, Justin email, and also the phone number. So now let's see what happens on the WhatsApp. So we should actually receive another notification saying this person Justin has just signed up for the VIP list. I have received another WhatsApp admin notification saying this person Justin at this particular email and also phone number has signed up for the VIP list. So likewise, even if they actually sign up for the VIP list on other channels like maybe on Messenger, SMS, or business Google Business Messages, Telegram, Viber, or even on the website or web chat, we will simply receive this sort of WhatsApp admin notification saying this particular person has signed up for the VIP list. So this is just a demonstration of how to actually send admin notifications through WhatsApp. So you can actually use the same techniques to send WhatsApp admin notification in some other cases of, so for example, if a particular customer actually requested a human help, you can notify the admins through WhatsApp. And also if you find a particular person actually needs a human help, or if you actually see a particular lead has actually qualified and a hot lead actually needs a human attention too, so in those cases you can actually send WhatsApp notification to your admins to get or jump in the chat and talk with them as well. So this is how you actually send WhatsApp admin notification. If you have any other questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.